welcome. So I want to show you how I trade boom and crash using this my indicator. So first thing, when I open the chart, I go to the higher time frame. Whatever higher time frame you want to use, it's up to you, but it should be in alignment with your entry time frame. So here I'm using the weekly time frame. So I have my indicator already marked out previous week high and previous week low. This is for last week entry. This is for last week entry, but the week before that we had this high. We had this high and we also had this low. So I wait for price to trade towards either the high or the low of that week carefully, and then I look for entries. I look for entry signal too. If price trades towards this high like it did right here for entry signals, and then I wait for entry signals on a lower time frame, and then I sell the market down to this low. And if you go down to our entry time frame, this is it. Price came up. This is it. This is it. Price closed here. Price came up and then closed back down here, giving us this sell signal. So right here our sell will be here. We have two sell signals actually. Our stop loss will be both, will be at this high. Stop loss will be at this high. Alright, so we have one sell and we have another sell right here. So currently this trade is in a little bit of drawdown, but hopefully we are expecting price to push all the way to the downside, which is this level. We're expecting price to push all the way to the downside, which is this level. So the indicator also prints out swing points. It also prints out intermediate term highs and lows for you to set your stop loss, which is for here. This is it. You can set your stop loss here. You see this round dot up here. You can set your stop loss up there. It's still very okay. I don't understand. Anyways, I don't. So now let's look at another example. So let's just go back to, let's say we go to the daily. Let's go back to the daily, just within this zone, right? Within this zone. Let's just delete this for now. Okay. So on the daily, we have this level. We have this level, this open close level, or let's just say we have price take out this. We have price take out this low. We have price coming down to that low. So what we do is we go down to the lower time frame and wait for entry confirmation, buy entry confirmation signal for us to take our buy, and our target would be, let's just mark out the target at once. Let's delete this for now. So here we have the point of interest, and then we have the target right there. So we go down to our entry time frame, scroll back into our point of interest, and there you have it. We have our buy entry right here, and again our stop loss would be at this round dot. Let me just take it back a bit. This is it. So we have our first entry here, our second entry here. Our target is this red line, and our stop loss is down here. The stop loss is a little bit big, but the trading style is very, very good and mechanical too. So the price came back down, retraced back down, and gave us another buy entry. So I've taken the buy. Our stop loss would be here, and our target would be here, and target was hit beautifully on a daily time frame. And then if we go back to the daily, you'd see that a lot of things happened. A lot of things happened. Like for example, price came back into this level. It came back into this level. So this is a structural level. Price came back into it right here, and it delivered a buy. It delivered a buy entry on the 50-minute time frame again, which is this. Delivered this buy, and boom, it went up and hit our TP. So that is how we trade using this indicator. It's really nice. It's really nice. And you can as well trade the indicator using just the indicator without any form of additional technicals. You can just trade the signals like sell here, and when you see a buy, you go out of the trade just like that. Or when you see a change of character right here, you can go out of the trade. But after the change of character, you're definitely going to see a reversal signal, right? You're definitely going to see a reversal signal. Like for example, here you see a change of character here. Change of character happened here, and here we had a reversal signal. If you look again carefully, you see after a change of character, you're going to see a reversal signal. Like here we had a change of character here, had another change of character here, but this was the first change, and it's coming off of this bearish leg. And then we have a signal right here. So we have another change of character here, price push above, giving us a swing change of character. So that is it. So you can still trade. You see signal, boom, to buy, and it went up. And then we have a sell signal here. You can close this one now and then sell from here, push lower, sell, buy, just like that. You can still trade this particular indicator as it is. You can still trade it as it is. You must not necessarily conduct technicals, although technicals, it makes your trading more fun and more professional. I would advise you stick with both the indicator and also your technicals, because I mean it is only best advisable that way. So let's see how let's see how we can relate to maybe a more distant price action. So currently price is reacting towards this zone, this key level, right? So right now this was the first touch of that key level. So if we go down to the 1 hour, this was the touch. We had a touch right here, so our sell is right here. So this would have been a nice sell. I think I already touched on this trade. So our stop loss would be here. I had another sell again here. I've taken this sell again, and then our stop loss would still have been here. So and our take profit would be somewhere down below here. I think I already touched on this trade. So let's look for another trade. Okay, we have this previous trade that actually worked out. Let's not go far. Let's see. We have this trade. Price came into this key level. And our target would be this low, right? So price came into that key level on a 1 hour time frame. What do we have? We have price. Yep, this is it. Price came into the key level, and on the 1 hour time frame, okay, let's just go back. Price came into the key level. This is the key level. Price came into it, and on the 1 hour time frame, we had our sell and trade signals. You see how technicals helps you. It helps you filter out some trades when using the indicator, right? because this particular signal is coming off of this key level. So if you sell from here and then you get a buy entry signal, you ignore it. So you sell from here. You can maybe exit the trade after you get a buy entry signal, but since you already have a target, since you already have something that you can work with, so you just stick to your sell, stick to your sales. We sell from here, and then when price get here, you're out of the trade. But whatever sell signal that you get within this zone, you can still take it. You can still take it and maintain the same risk. If this sell was supposed to make $1 to this level, if this sell was supposed to make let's say $1 to this level, sorry, if you're risking $1 for this sell, right, to make maybe $3, know that this second or third sell signal, you're also going to risk $1, and also maybe you make like 1.2 or maybe 1.5, but just make sure that your risk to reward are always the same. Make sure that they're always the same. So you see, this is how you can utilize this indicator to get more better refined entries, confirmed entries, and you can use it on any time frame that you wish: the daily, the weekly, the monthly, the 4 hour, the 1 hour, the 15 minutes. You can use it on whatever time frame that you want. This indicator is for and it's an MT5 indicator. You can also use it to trade other pairs. You can use it to trade currency pairs, like forex pairs. You can use it to trade cryptocurrencies. You can use it to trade volatility indices. You can use it to trade boom and crash. You can use it to trade even PNX and GainX. I'm going to do videos on that as well. I'm going to be doing videos on these markets and how I use them. So if you want to participate in my trading arena, you can just follow the link on the description to join my Telegram channel where I drop trade signals based on this indicator. Right. So once again, my name is Ojini Currencies, and I'll keep doing videos updates like this on this indicator. And if you like it, please just hit on the like button and also subscribe to my channel to keep up to my upcoming videos. Thank you very much.